Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we'll create a new augmented reality project called the AR Virtual Button. And inside this project, we'll display a Sphere game object when the virtual button is pressed. And when the virtual button is released, we'll display a cube game object. So let's start building a AR Virtual Button application. Now, for building the AR Virtual Button application, I'll click on File. I'll then click on New Project. I'll give this project a name of AR Virtual Button, and before clicking on the Create button, let me share few things. I had created this AR Virtual Button project with Unity version 5.6.2 and Vuforia version 6.2.10, as both of them were latest versions at that particular time. Now, in Unity version 2017.2, since Vuforia version 6.5 is inbuilt, so that's why I'm re-editing the starting part of this video as per the changes in Unity version 2017.2. So I'll click on the Create button. And as you can see, my AR Virtual Button project is created. So after creating this project, first I'll save my scene. Okay, so to save the scene, I'll click on File. I'll then click on Save Scene As. Okay, and inside the Assets folder, I'll create a new folder. I'll give it a name of Data Files. I'll open the data files folder. Inside the data files folder, as we have done previously, I'll create a scenes folder. I'll open the scenes folder and I'll give this scene a name of Virtual Button Scene. Okay, after this, I'll hit save. So guys, as you can see, my scene is saved by the name of Virtual Button Scene and it is basically inside the scenes folder. After saving the scene, next I'll click on File. I'll then click on Build Settings, and now I'll switch the platform to Android. So I'll select the Android platform and I'll click on the Switch platform to switch the platform to Android. So as you can see, the Unity logo is on the Android platform, which means the platform is switched to Android. If you're using a Mac system along with an iPhone or an iPad, then you can choose the iOS platform, and after this you can click on Switch platform. Okay. Now after switching the platform, I'll then click on Player Settings, and inside Player Settings, I'll open the XR Settings option, and inside XR Settings, I'll check the Vuforia Augmented Reality Support checkbox. And the reason why we have selected this Vuforia Augmented Reality Support checkbox is because we are creating an augmented reality project. I'll then close the build settings, and next I'll delete the main camera, as the main camera is of no use in augmented reality projects. After deleting the main camera, I'll then click on Game Object. I'll then go in Vuforia and I'll select the AR camera option. After this, I'll click on the Import button to import the AR camera as well as some of the other Vuforia assets. So guys, as you can see, the AR camera is added inside the hierarchy. And after adding the AR camera, next I'll open my browser and I'll go to vuforia.com, and now we'll create the license key for a AR Virtual Button project. Okay, so to create the license key, I'll click on Dev Portal. After this, I'll click on the Develop button. Next, I'll click on Get Development Key. I'll give this app a name of AR Business Card. Now the reason why I'm giving this license key a name of AR Business Card is because I'll be using this same license key for the business card application, which we'll be creating after the AR Virtual Button application. Okay. So after giving this license key a name of AR Business Card, I'll click on this checkbox to accept the terms and condition, and next I'll click on the Confirm button. So guys, as you can see, the AR Business Card app is created, so I'll click on it, and next I'll copy this license key. So I'll click on Copy. After this, I'll open my Unity project. Next, with the AR camera selected, I'll click on Open Vuforia Configurations, and in place of app license key, I'll paste the license key which I've copied. Okay. So after pasting the license key, I'll again click on AR camera. I'll click on World Center mode and I'll change this to device tracking. Next, I'll click on the play button and let's check whether the webcam is activated or not. So as you can see, when I clicked on the play button, the webcam is activated, and in front of the webcam we are seeing this image. Okay, so this is the image which I'll be using as an image target. So I'll come out of play mode. Now after adding the license key, next I'll add one image as image target. So I'll save this project. Next, as you can see on my desktop, I have saved this image. So I'll open this image and I'll be using this image as image target. Okay, so in this image I'll place my virtual button over here, and I'll place my cube on top of this square, and at the last I'll place the sphere on top of this circle. Okay, so I'll close this image. Next I'll open my Vuforia account. After this I'll click on Target Manager and I'll click on Add Database. I'll give this database a name of AR Business Card Base. I'll select the type to device. I'll click on Create. So as you can see, the AR Business Card Base is created. So I'll click on it. Next I'll click on Add Target. After this I'll keep the single image type selected since we are adding an image. Okay. Next I'll click on the Browse button. And as you can see on my desktop, I have saved this virtual button demo image. So I'll select it and next I'll click on Open. Okay, I'll give this image a width of 4. I'll keep the name of this image to virtual button demo itself, and after this I'll click on Add. So guys, as you can see, the virtual button demo image is added, and if you look very carefully, it has a 5-star augmented rating. So next I'll open this virtual button demo image, and after this I'll click on Show Features. And if you look very carefully, this image has very good features, but the most important part is this image also has good features surrounding this virtual button, which is one of the most important factors for recognizing the virtual button. So guys, after adding the virtual button, next I'll download the database with this virtual button. So with the virtual button selected, I'll click on Download Database. Next I'll select the Unity editor option, and after this I'll click on the download button. So guys, as you can see, the AR Business Card Unity package is downloaded inside my system. Okay, next I'll import this package inside my AR virtual button project. Okay, so to import this package, I'll double click on it. After this, I'll click on the import button to import it. So guys, the AR Business Card Unity package is imported inside my project, and if you look very carefully, we now have 2 new folders called the editor folder and the streaming assets folder, which got created when we imported this Unity package. Okay, so guys, that's it from this video, and I'll see you in the next video.